Okay, so and she's gonna go up in there like so. Our old one. It's really a bad background to show this, but anyway, yeah, that's the old one. As far as I know, there are slightly different grades of lead. Some have more additives in them. You know, they're not pure lead. This just happens to be what I have. I think these are actually more of a uh, kind of like a pot metal. But honestly, I've not really had problems with the leads. And it depends how much pressure you're putting on something. You know, for what the application is, you might want to actually melt something else down that's that isn't just lead. But for what I'm doing, this is perfectly fine. So, and the cable's smashed out, so when it gets compressed over time, it'll still jam up in there because the stuff holding it.